Hello, Bettendorf music students. It's Mrs. Boblet here. Today I get to teach you a lesson called Rain on the Green Grass. Let's get started. Here are our goals for Rain on the Green Grass. First, we're going to learn a new rhyme together. We'll keep a steady beat. We'll perform rhythms with body percussion. That's going to be a really fun part. And we'll also learn an ostinato to perform with that rhyme. Lots of fun stuff, so let's begin. These pictures are going to help us learn the words. Each part shows what you're going to say in the rhyme. I'll start and then you copy me. My turn. Rain on the green grass. You say it. Rain on the green grass. See how the picture tells us what we should be saying? Easy peasy. Here's the next part. My turn. Rain on the tree. Your turn. Rain on the tree. Let's do the first two parts together. Start with rain on the green grass. Ready? Go. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. All right, take a look at your next picture. My turn. Rain on the house top. You say it. Rain on the house top. Good job. All right, last picture. Check out that kid has an umbrella. She's not getting rained on, so we're going to say, but not on me. You do it, but not on me. Try the whole rhyme with me, starting with rain on the green grass. Ready? Go. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rain on the house top, but not on me. Very good. Now, if you don't have all those words just perfect yet, don't worry. We're going to repeat it. So no worries there, okay? All right. Now, you probably noticed those squares or those boxes in the middle of the picture. What do you think those are for? Why are they there? Those boxes are rhythms that we can add into the poem. And they make it a lot of fun, and they're going to make it sound like there's actually rain. Here's the very first one with the pink arrow pointing to it. These little short boxes, the sound is pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Just like tiny raindrops coming down. I want you to say that with me. Ready? Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. And let's do a fun movement with it. Let's put our hands on our shoulders and let's go back and forth like little tiny raindrops getting you. Ready? Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Awesome. Let's say our rhyme and then do our pitter, patter after. I'm going to repeat it so you keep doing it as long as I do it. When I stop, you stop. Okay, let's start by saying rain on the green grass. Ready? Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rain on the house top, but not on me. Ready? Pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Pitter, patter, pitter, patter. Excellent job. I like that one. Now, what are the middle boxes going to do? They look a little bit bigger. I think it might be a longer sound. Let's hear it. We're going to say drip, drop, drip, drop. Ooh, try that with me. Drip, drop, drip, drop. These are longer sounds than our pitter-patter. We can tell that because the box is longer. For drip, drop, here's what we're going to do to make the sound. If you can snap, snap with me. Drip, drop, drip, drop. If you can't snap, that's okay too. Try crab hands. Drip, drop, drip, drop. That's really fun too. Ready? Drip, drop, drip, drop. Or drip, drop, drip, drop. Very good. Let's say our rhyme and then our drip drops. And remember to keep repeating them with me. Okay, rain on the green grass. Ready? Rain on the green grass. Rain on the tree. Rain on the house top, but not on me. Drip, drop, 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 drip, drop. Very good. We've got one more set of boxes, and they're even longer. I bet this is going to be a really long sound. We're going to say rain, rain, like there's heavy rain coming down now. Try it with me. Ready? Rain, rain. Perfect. And the movement we're going to do with that is with our hands. And we're going to slide our hands together and slide them really slow as you're saying it. Rain, 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 rain. Good job. Let's say our rhyme and then we'll do our last boxes. Rain on the green grass. Ready, go. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the tree. Rain on the house top, but not on me. Rain, 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 rain. Awesome job. Isn't that fun? I love making all of those sounds. Now, oh my goodness, I wonder if you can handle this. Let's say the rhyme, then I'm going to pick one of those rain sounds to do, and you're going to have to watch carefully. Okay, I'm not going to do it in order this time. You ready to try it? Okay, let's say the rhyme first, and then you watch to see which one I point to. Okay, you're going to have to watch really carefully. Start with rain on the green grass. Ready? Rain on the green grass. Rain on the tree. Rain on the house top, but not on me. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Awesome work. Very good. Let's do one more, and you're going to have to watch. Which one am I going to pick? Say rain on the green grass. Rain on the green grass. Rain on the tree. Rain on the house top, but not on me. Rain, 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 rain. Awesome, very good. Okay, now I said at the beginning that we would be learning a body percussion ostinato together. Well, first of all, body percussion is sound that we can make with our own bodies, like patting your lap or clapping your hands. And ostinato is just a short little repeated rhythm or melody. We're going to do a short little repeated rhythm here with our body percussion. We're going to do 2 pats, pat, pat, and then 2 claps, clap, clap. And we're going to repeat it. Let's try that together. You keep doing it as long as I'm doing it. Okay? Ready? Go. Pat, pat, clap, did you do? I think you probably did a wonderful job. Now it's time for a challenge. We're going to try that body percussion and ostinato with our rhyme. And then if we can handle that, we're going to add in our rain sounds too. Let's practice first. Let's get our ostinato going, and then we'll start saying the words. Okay? Nice and slow. Ready? Pat, 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 clap, clap. Keep doing that. One more time, and then we're going to add in our words. Ready, go. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rain on the house top, but not on me. Fantastic. Now, we're going to try that again. And after we're done with our rhyme, I'm going to point to one of those rain sounds, and you say it with me, saying it as long as I'm saying it. Okay, get your hands ready to pat. Let's do our ostinato a couple of times first. Ready, go. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rain on the house top, but not on me. Let's do our pitter patters. Ready? Pitter patter, 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 pitter patter. Let's go back to our rhyme, and then we'll do one more rain sound. Ready, go. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rain on the house top, but not on me. Let's do our drip drops. Ready? Drip, drop, 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 drip, drop. Excellent job! You rocked it, Bettendorf music students. I love the way you learned your new rhyme. You added in a body percussion ostinato, and you did some fun rhythms in between that sounded like rain. Fantastic job. I hope you had fun, and have a great day. See you soon.